Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invert colors in Snapseed. If you are new to Snapseed and you don't know how to invert colors in your photo, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. Now, click on Tools and select the Curves option. Here, you can see different options in the lower menu. Click here and choose RGB. Now what you have to do is pick the lower corner of the node and increase it all the way up, and similarly take the another node in the right corner and bring it all the way down, and simply click here to save changes. And just like that, we have inverted colors of our photo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.